What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create an account for PayPal business account. So if you guys don't know what PayPal is, then PayPal is a money related app. It's an app or it's an software app, whatever thing you want to consider it. I will say it's a company which is used to transfer money, alright? So you can also say it's P2P money transfer. If you know Cash App, it's similar to that. But there's two versions of PayPal, a personal and a business. And we have made an in-depth video on the difference between personal and a business account in PayPal. If you guys want to understand its difference, then you can watch that video. But if you guys also know the difference and you only want to create a business account, then follow the step. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos like this. Let's move on. First step, search for PayPal Business Sign Up. Just search for PayPal Business Sign Up. Don't just write PayPal Sign Up. It's gonna ask you to sign up into a normal account. We want a business account. So click on PayPal Business Sign Up and click on the first link over here. It'll take you to this website. And your website needs to say sign up for a business account. If it only says sign up for PayPal or sign up for personal account, you don't want to sign up into that. We want a business account. So once you're over here, enter an email for that. Click on continue. And then it's gonna ask you to create a password for your account. After you create a password for your account, it's gonna ask you to fill up this form. So you need to fill this form up. And after you fill this form up, you wanna click on agree and continue. And on the next step, it's gonna ask you for some more information, as well as it may ask you for your legal document since you're creating a PayPal business account. And after you fill up the entire form correctly, your PayPal business account should be created. So that's how this works. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody, and have a nice day.